Hello and welcome to the first video of the tutorial series for the COVID-19 simulator developed as part of the EUVABECO project. This simulator is a tool that helps you explore how COVID-19 might spread. It can also show how the disease could affect healthcare systems under different scenarios, such as changes in transmission or vaccination rollout. I will now walk you through the simulator interface for Poland and give you a general overview. Once you have entered your username and password to access the simulator, you will see this interface. Next, you have the option to choose your preferred language for the simulator. Further right, by clicking on Tutorial, you will find a comprehensive read-through tutorial. It covers basic information, prospective and retrospective simulation possibilities, analysis of simulation results, and further functionalities. Staying on the top row, click on the About button to take a look at some background information about the simulator, including its API documentation. Finally, you will find the changelog of previous versions. On the right, you have the option to log out. Now we come to the simulator itself. If different regions or geographic areas are available for a country, you can choose them under Region. In the plots below, you can see all available data for the chosen region. At the country level for Poland, cases, hospitalizations, and fatalities are available. For the Polish provinces, cases and fatalities are available. The next step will be to add the baseline model simulation. This represents the model's predictions assuming an unchanged scenario setting. For this, you now define the time frame of your simulations. Retrospective covers the time frame supported by the observed data you see below. The frame is initially entered as from date and to date, and you can change these dates to your liking. To perform prospective simulations, meaning simulations past the last observation date, click on the prospective icon. You can then choose from preset timeframe extensions or set a custom time past the last observed data. Before clicking the red Simulate button, you can choose between two solvers. A solver is simply a different way the model performs the calculations. The faster MergeSolve solver is suitable for most use cases and gives results quickly. Non-MEM uses a more established approach and serves as the reference implementation for validation, so it can be slower. To add 90% confidence intervals to the simulations, click on the Uncertainty slider. This will add a shaded area around the model prediction. It shows a range where the true values are expected to fall most of the time, giving you an idea of how certain or uncertain the predictions are. When all settings are as intended, press Simulate, and the simulations will start calculating. This might take a few seconds. Once finished, you will see the results as lines in the plots below. If you added uncertainty, there will be shaded areas describing the 90% confidence intervals. The observed data will still be visible as points. You can save this simulation using the Save button and give it a name to your liking. Once at least one simulation has been saved, you can load it, edit its name, or delete it within the Load option. You can generate two types of reports. HTML includes interactive plots and full data tables. PDF includes static plots and summary statistics suitable for printing or sharing. The generation of reports might take a few minutes. The downloadable Excel file gives you complete time series data for further analysis in spreadsheet software. In the next tutorial, I will walk you through the inspection of simulation results.